In this tutorial, we will learn how to play C major scale. And the first thing that we have to know is how to find C. As you can see, the whole keyboard has a similar pattern of black notes. For example, you can see over here, 2 black notes together. After that, 3 black notes together. After that, again 2 black notes together. After that, 3, 2, 3, 2, and it goes on like that. Now, the white key, which is exactly at the left of 2 together black keys, is C. For example, 2 together black keys, the white key at the left of 2 together black keys, this is C. Over here, this is C. Over here, this is C. Is this C? No, this is F, because 3 together black keys, and this is the white key which is at the left side of 3 together black keys, not 2 together black keys. So now you know how to understand which is C. Let's move on to scales. Thumb is our first finger, index being second, middle finger being third, ring finger being fourth, and our pinky finger being the fifth finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the left hand, again thumb being the first finger, index finger being the second, middle finger being the third finger, ring finger being the fourth, and again pinky finger fifth. Both hands, thumb is the first finger. For the right hand, we have to put our first finger on C. C. After that, we have to play D with our second finger, D. After that, we will play E with our third finger, E. After that, we will be playing F with our first finger again. Now, how do we change from our third finger to first finger, from E to F? First finger will go underneath the third finger. It will go from here. So 1, 2, 3, and then it will go underneath. Not over the top, it will go under. So C, first finger, D, second finger, E, third finger, and then first finger will go underneath, it will go to F. After that, again G with our second finger, A with our third finger, B with our fourth finger, and C, fifth finger. So we will start from this C and we will move all the way to this C with only one change being played. That is, from E to F, we will change our finger from third to first, and the finger will go under, not over. So let's try and play that. C, D, E, thumb finger will go under the third finger, F, G, A, B, C. This is how we play the C major scale from the right hand ascending order. Ascending order being it is going from lower to higher. Now let's look on how to play the left hand. Left hand, for a change, we will be starting with our fifth finger, not our thumb finger. So fifth finger on C, fourth finger on D, third finger on E, second finger on F, first finger on G, and then again third finger on A. This time for the left hand, third finger will go over the first finger, not under, over the first finger. So after G, first finger, we'll go to A with our third finger, over. A, then B, then C. Now let's try that again. C with our fifth finger, D with our fourth finger, E with our third finger, F with our second finger, G with our first finger, A again with our third finger, over. A, B, C. Now, how do you have to practice the scale? both the scales that are sewed with our right hand and left hand respectively is going towards the ascending order, meaning it is going from lower to higher. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Left hand, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We are playing the same notes, only the fingers are changed. After you know how to play scales with individual hands, then let's try how to play them with both the hands together. Now, there are no changes. Right hand will go the way we learned how the right hand moves, and left hand will go the way we learned how the left hand moves. Now let's start. C, D, E. After third finger of right hand, it will change to first finger on F, but our left hand will not change. F, G, and then third finger on A. It is changing, only the left hand is changing, right hand is not. So A, B, C. Let's try that again. C, D, E. Right hand will change to first finger on F, F, and then G, and then third finger on A. Left hand is changing now. A, B, C. Now what I want you all to do is practice this. Initially it will be quite tough. You will stumble a bit, you'll not know what to do, but as you keep practicing, you'll be good at it. And then after you practice it clearly, each and every note is clear, then what you can do is you can gradually increase the speed bit by bit. For example, let's start C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again back to C, and then you can keep increasing the speed. There are two types of interval. One is melodic interval, another one is harmonic interval. Melodic interval is derived from melody, harmonic interval is derived from harmony. Melodic interval is when we play one note at a time. For example, right now I'm playing just C. I'm not playing any other note except C. And when I play D, I'm leaving C and then going to D. That means again I'm playing one note. I'm not playing multiple notes at the same time. After that, E, then F, then G, A, B, C. I just showed you how to play the C major scale. That was a melodic scale, not a harmonic scale. Melodic interval is when we play one note at a time. I hope that is clear. Now what is harmonic interval, you may ask. Harmonic intervals is when you play two or more than two notes at the same time. For example, if I play C and E together, this is a harmonic interval because I'm playing both C and E together, not individually. I'm playing them together. What is this? Is this a harmonic or melodic interval? If you say harmonic interval, you're correct. This, is it a melodic or an harmonic interval? It's a harmonic interval. This, melodic interval. Now, you understand what is the difference between a melodic interval and harmonic interval. Let's move on to the exercises. I already gave you the exercise for melodic interval, which is the scale. That is an example for melodic intervals. Now let's see an example for harmonic intervals. There are 4 chords being played. Now these all chords belong to C family. These are all relative chords to C. These 4 chords are, first is C major chord. Second is A minor chord. Third is F major chord. And fourth is G major chord. There's only one minor chord, which is A minor. Apart from that, all the chords are major. C major, A minor, F major, G major. For the left hand, same. C major, A minor, F major, and G major. Now let's see how to play these chords. C major chord. We'll put our first finger on C, third finger, which is our middle finger, on E, and fifth finger, which is pinky finger, on G. And we'll play three notes at the same time, C, E, and G. When you play them individually, it is a melodic interval, but when you play at the same time together, all the three notes, that is a harmonic interval, and that is also the C major chord. Next chord is A minor. The notes that are being played is A, C, E together at the same time, A minor chord. The next chord is F major. Notes being played F, A, and C together at the same time, F major chord. The fourth one is G major chord. The notes being G, B, and D. All three at the same time, G major chord. After seeing how to play our right hand chords, let's see how to play the left hand chords. Again, we'll be playing the same notes, but only our fingers will change. I'm repeating, only the fingers will change, the notes are same. We'll be playing the same notes, but on the lower side. Not this C major, we'll go to this C major. Okay, so let's start. C major, but C with our fifth finger, E with our third finger, G with our first finger. Only these three fingers are being used, fifth, third, and first. Okay, now when we play them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. After practicing them individually, you can also practice both hands together at the same time. Let's start that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, back to C major. You can continuously practice them in loops, and if you practice them on metronome, it is even better.